Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structures, access property names with bracket notation. In the first object challenge, we mentioned the use of bracket notation as a way to access property values using the evaluation of a variable. For instance, imagine that our foods object is being used in a program for supermarket cash register. We have some function that sets the selected food and we want to check our food object for the presence of that food. This might look like here as example is given where bracket notation is used to get the value from this foods object by passing this variable here. This code will evaluate the value stored in selected food variable and return the value of that key in foods object here or undefined if it is not present. Bracket notation is very useful because sometimes object properties are not known before runtime or we need to access them in more dynamic way. Task for this challenge, we have defined a function check inventory which receives a scanned item as an argument. Return the current value of a scanned item key in foods object. You can assume that only valid keys will be provided as an argument to check inventory. So this becomes very simple. We just have to return foods object and pass the scanned item to retrieve a specific item value. Let's run the tests, download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.